హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ వీడియో వచ్చేసి క్విజ్ అండ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, విచ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ ద 2024 ద ఖేలో ఇండియా గేమ్స్ యూత్ గేమ్స్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైమ్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ స్క్వాష్. The youth games will be held from 19th to 31 January 2024 in Tamil Nadu. It will be organized in Chennai, Turkey, Madurai and Coimbatore. For the first time, squash will be included in these games. Next one, Amina Fort that was recently making news is located in which region? Answer is Siberia. Next one, which Indian ministry responsible for the administrating the FAME India scheme? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. C. Ministry of Ayush. D. Ministry of Heavy Industries. Answer is Ministry of Heavy Industries. Ministry of Heavy Industries administers the faster adoption and manufacturing the electronic vehicles in India. Next one, the Union government is planning to revive the tax remission benefits on export of which item that was placed in the restricted category in mid 2022? Answer is sugar. Next one, recently Uttar Pradesh has inaugurated the state's first intra-district helicopter service between which two districts? Answer is Agra, Mathura. On birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh inaugurated the state's first intra-district helicopter service from Bateshwar in Agra to Govardhan in Mathura. Next one, who has been recently named Health Ambassador for Salam Mumbai Foundation? Answer is Amrita Raichand. Next one, Namdapha flying squirrel that was recently in news is endemic to which Indian state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next one, which country is not a member of Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC? Answer is D. Next one, as per the Indian Skills Report 2024, which state is the most preferred state to work? Answer is Kerala. Next one, which state is the main state partner of the International Gita Seminar and Gita Mahotsav? Answer is Haryana. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.